Hi everyone, and welcome back to Herzography. I think I have found the best pocket-sized iPhone tripod I have ever used, and it's only $36. Now, I've tested a lot of mobile accessories, tripods, mounts, clamps, you name it. Most of them either feel cheap, bulky, or have some great features but are missing others, or they are just not flexible or strong enough in real-world shooting. I'm not going to do an unboxing here. You know, what's the point of that? Here's what you get. Now, if you don't have a MagSafe phone, it comes with a nice little kit with the mag ring, and it peels off, and it's got a little measurer here on putting it on. I'm just going to leave that to the side since it's not something that I need, but you might. Now, this little guy here is light. This one really surprised me. This is the OMOTON, I hope I'm saying that right. This is the OMOTON Magnetic Phone Tripod TP06. And it might be the most versatile little tool that you could throw in your pocket. First off, this thing is tiny. It folds down to this super slim size, weighs very, very little, and it's built out of aluminum, so it actually feels very solid even though it's very small. It even comes with a lanyard, which sounds minor, but it makes it ridiculously easy to carry around, like so. This is the kind of gear you actually bring with you. Now here's where this gets really interesting. Of course, it's fully magnetic, as many of these are, but these are not weak magnets. These are strong enough that you can literally stick your phone onto a piece of gym equipment or the fridge or any metal surface, and it just holds. For shooting, that opens up a ton of creative options. You're no longer limited to where you can set your tripod on something. Now you can mount it almost anywhere. And of course, it's very versatile. This isn't just a tripod either. You can use it as a desktop stand, like so. You can use it as a handheld selfie stick, like so. And you can see that I have my Freewell little magnet on the back here, my magnet stand, and what's really cool is that even if that's on there, it fits right in there. I'm not sure if they meant for that to happen, but that works out really well. So here I'm using it as a little selfie, and of course you just turn it as you need to go for horizontal position, and very, very sturdy, very stiff. And you can see that it even has a little holder on it here if you want to use a carabiner, if you didn't want to use the lanyard that it comes with. And one other thing that I like on here is that it rotates 360 degrees. Great if, if I decide that, I'm using it, great. So if I decide that, here I was using it as a selfie, but then if I decide that I want to use the other cameras, so I can just turn it around very simply depending upon which cameras I want to use. So whether you're shooting vertical or you're shooting horizontal, it only takes a couple of seconds to put this in whatever position you want to use it in. And of course, to take things a little bit further, it's got a standard 1/4-20, which makes it great since there is no cold shoe on here. And even another point about this that I really like, and I would only purchase it if it had it, is that it's Arca-Swiss compatible. So it'll just fit right in here, like so. And now I can just go ahead and put that on my tripod, no worries. Arca-Swiss compatible. And most heads are coming this way where they're Arca-Swiss. I know there are some that don't. And of course, the 1/4-20 on the bottom will let you screw it onto a lot of the smaller tripods if you have one of those. But otherwise, if you have a 3/8 mount. Now you're going to need a 1/4 20 to 3/8 adapter, but having the Arca adapter on here makes it very, very convenient. And then one other feature that this has on here is there's a little clip in here, and it's like, what does that do? And this little thing pulls out, and I just happen to have a handy dandy old Mac here because I'm using my current one, but you can see on here that it just will allow me to attach my phone right onto the laptop, just like this. So how cool is that? Now you can, if you need it, you can just hang it right onto your screen or some other surface. And once again, really nice. I was looking for something with a number of these different features that this has, so I'm really happy to see that they included that piece in there. Some companies call it the Mantis clip, but and these cute little feet just fold out very easily for making a nice cool little tripod stand. So whether I'm filming a quick YouTube segment or you're capturing something behind the scenes or just grabbing a clean composition on the fly, and because the magnets are so strong, I can use any of my Maven filters on the camera without any fear of them falling off or the camera falling off. So you can see that the magnet is very strong. I'm going to turn this around as if, you know, I was shooting something and shooting with my Maven filters. So let me take off the cover and put the adapter on, and now for giggles I'll just put on a few filters. You see I've got 3 filters on there, and then if I needed to use a lens shade on, you know, it is very, very stable and I don't have to worry about anything falling off. Now I'm not going to whack this around until it does fall off, but this is one of these tools that I can be very confident that I'm out here like this shooting on the fly, and whatever I'm able to or need to put on here, this little stand is very, very secure, and it's going to hold everything on here very easily. And honestly, this is what makes gear valuable. And here's the kicker. It was only $36 for something this versatile, this well built, and portable. That's kind of hard to beat. And you can see how it just folds up. I have to turn it around, and here we go. So for something that is this easy, it's a favorite of mine to carry around in my pocket for my iPhone. So if you're shooting with your phone, whether it's an iPhone or not, especially for content creation, this is absolutely worth checking out. Let me know in the comments what's your go-to mobile setup right now, and as always, get out there and capture something great. Bye for now.